Okay, so let's frame what's going to happen this afternoon and tomorrow a little bit more by talking about latent variables and a specific kind of latent variable, a factor, and how that relates to some of the modeling options we have in programs like Mplus, which are essentially kind of latent variable modeling programs, or just programs that allow regression with observed and latent variables. And so just in the very beginning, we'll talk about a couple of different ways to understand latent variables or factors. And then we'll proceed to estimating models that include those, including some confirmation factor analytic models, as well as some structural equation models. And you'll see that it's very, very easy in Mplus.